Google Pixel 10a, which is a true successor for the Google Pixel 9a, which is going to release on Feb 18. That means this month 18. When we talk about this mobile's features, this mobile comes with a 6.3 inches of tiny, cute 120Hz refresh rate OLED display. Yeah, it is an OLED display. And this is going to come with a Corning Gorilla Glass Victus protection, and it is a HDR10 Plus supported Full HD Plus resolution display, obviously. When we talk about the processor, this mobile, the Google mobiles are coming with their own custom-made processor, that is a Google Tensor. Particularly, this mobile is coming with the Google Tensor G4, which is a 4nm based 5G octa-core processor. This mobile is going to release in majorly 3 variants. Till the news now, this mobile will be available in 3 variants. Those are 8GB RAM 128, 8GB RAM 256, and 12GB of RAM and 256GB of internal storage variants. These are going to be UFS 3.1 storage capacities along with the LPDDR4X RAM types, not the top variants. When we talk about the cameras, this mobile will be available in will comes with the 2 rear cameras. Those are a 48 megapixels of main wide angle camera with optical image stabilization, and also a 13 megapixels of ultra wide angle camera, which can be used to shoot up to 4K 60 fps. For the front, also it is going to come with a 12 megapixels of front facing selfie camera. When we talk about the battery, to power this mobile is coming with a 5100 milliamperes of battery, which is pretty much good in terms of the battery size of 6.3 inch display. But it does comes with a 27 watts of fast charge, normal charge through wire only, and it also supports 7.5 watts of wireless charge and reverse wireless charge also, obviously. So these are all the major features of this mobile. When we talk about the operating system, this is a Google mobile, so it comes with a stock Google Android 16 out of the box with the mobile, and Google is promising to give the updates of 7 years. That means you can get almost up to Android version 23. Till that Android version 23 will get the updates of this mobile for this mobile in terms of operating system. And this mobile is also going to come with the features that are not the latest ones, like the Bluetooth 5.3, not the 6.0, and Wi-Fi 6E, not the 7, and NFC, obviously the latest one. So these are the major features of the mobile. When we talk about this mobile's physical aspects, like this mobile is going to come with a polycarbonate body, aluminum body, and back is a plastic one, and front is obviously a glass, protected with the Corning Gorilla Glass Victus. And when we talk about the security, this one is also going to come with the fingerprint scanner. That is the optical one, not the ultrasonic one. So that is also a cost cutting thing. When we talk about the multimedia, this mobile is going to come with the stereo speakers, but no 3.5mm jack, like all the mobiles which are coming these days. And this one doesn't come with any official IP68 or 69 or 65 water and dust certification also, so don't leave this mobile if you purchased one. When we talk about the price and availability, this mobile will comes to the sale by Feb 20 till the news now. And according to the news till now, that this mobile might release with a price tag of 49,000 rupees in between to 51,000 rupees in between that price range. For that price range, if you ask me that to buy one mobile, if you have a chance to buy this mobile, I would say you could buy iQOO 13, which is a previous year's flagship, or you could spend a little bit more money and you can buy the OnePlus 13, which is also a great mobile. So these are all the features of this mobile. By the way, when you talk about the box content, this mobile obviously going to come with a charger and a cable and a TPU case and a SIM ejector tool included in the box of the mobile. This mobile will be available in mostly 2 colors, the grey one and the white one. I will leave the link to buy this mobile in the description box down below with the other videos on my channel. So go and purchase the mobile from there if you want to purchase, and also watch the other videos on my channel after subscribing and hitting that like button. So that's it for the video. Hit the like button and also the subscribe button.